In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow oak trees from acorns. So usually mid-August I'll go out and I'll pick fallen acorns from oak trees, and I'll gather them and I'll bring them back and I'll put them into a planter like this. Cover them over with earth or compost and just leave them there over winter to germinate. And I'll come back then in spring and I'll see which ones have germinated, the ones which have rooted, and I'll separate them. It's now the 1st of March and I'm ready to pull out the acorns and see which ones have germinated. Here we have lovely rooted acorn that has germinated successfully, and another one, and I'm going to put them all here and then I'm going to pot them up into separate pots. Just put a little hole in there and get the roots in there. And after I've potted them, I'll just water them in and I'll leave them there. I'll leave them there till about May and hopefully we'll have some success. So here we are in the month of May and we have lovely little oak trees that have successfully leafed and look very happy and healthy. And that's it. That's all you do to grow oak trees from acorns. I'll just show you an oak tree in my back garden. It's 3 feet tall, it's about 3 years old, and I've watched its progress all along from acorn right up to this, and every year it's getting bigger and bigger, so it's really pleasing to watch. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Talk to you soon.